This old sleeping angel. Princess, they are sleeping. They're cozy in there. Oh, they're still eating. Did you find a baby? I'm sure it's in the one box there.
I just used a toddler.
A toddler?
See?
Oh, okay. Oh, open the garage. Let's see who's in there. There's your car. Awesome car.
There's also a look.
Yeah. Oh. Is that Belle playing the piano?
No, that's Barbie playing that piano.
Oh, I'm sorry. The Barbie. Okay. They're listening to her play.
And she dances to the music.
Oh, she's a ballerina. And look at Princess Anna,
No, Princess Elsa.
Princess Elsa, and Barbie chatting together. And Barbie too.
No, that's Ariel.
Oh, that's Ariel. And look at the bride over here.
It's almost time for her to get married.
Oh, it's time to get married. Come on, let's get married.
This guy.
Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. He liked that guy. Oh, who's in the bathtub?
So he needs to get his tuxedo.
Who's in the bathtub, Princess?
Snow White.
Okay, Snow White. Wow, Princess Anna is tired. She's in the bed. Look at the bride girl. The bride Barbie. That's her fiancé. What a hair. Oh, let him sit beside her. What happened to his hand? What's wrong with your hand? Uh-oh. Where did your arm go? Where did your arm go? Who dyed your hair? Look at your bride. Beautiful Barbie. I like that dress.
I can't find his tuxedo.
Oh, where did the tuxedo go? Let's see the baby. Oh, there's the toddler. And the doggy.
And there's the sister, the big sister.
Oh, that's you. There's the puppy.
Puppy has a bone.
Okay, what's the name of your puppy? Oh, look at her. Their sister.
An iron.
Mm-hmm. She's still in the toilet. For how many hours now? 5 hours.
Giant squirrel.
She's still in the toilet, Sissy,
A
for 5.
giant squirrel.
Oh, a giant squirrel.
giant squirrel
I really like her
has
dresses.
got into the house.
Oh. There's a giant squirrel in the house. Oh no, run. What we gonna
And
do?
here's his giant brother.
Oh, they're cute. How cute they are. They're so sweet. They gonna guard all the Barbies, huh?
They guard steps.
Okay.
Because that's where the most Barbies are.
Yep. Yeah. Is that Belle in the elevator?
Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful dress, huh? Look at that dress, guys. Wow, look at her dress. I like that dress. There's the guard. Okay. Did you find the baby?
No.
You did not find the baby. Don't worry, we can find her tomorrow. I'm sure it's one of that.
Now they're
Boxes.
going to go to the wedding.
Okay, it's time to go to the wedding.
They're going to go to this wedding.
Oh, let me see that dress again. Wow, what an awesome dress, Angel. It's a beautiful dress. And she's so beautiful. They're now wedding. Oh, their car. I forgot her car, huh?
Only some have to stay here.
Oh yeah. So they have to watch the mansion. Who's gonna go with the wedding? Oh, she's driving.
She's going to take the kids.
Okay.
I don't know what will fit in here.
Oh yeah, just in the big hole. Don't damage her. Just Sissy in the big hole. Just let her stand.
No, that
You'll damage her. She can't get in there, B. Just let her stand, please. Let her stand in that. She can stand in that. Who else gonna go? Elsa?
and the kids.
Okay.
The kids are going.
Yeah, she's still in the toilet? Oh no. Wow, Princess Anna is so tired up there. She's sleeping so good in there.
And now they're going.
Okay. Bye-bye. Wow, look at them. They're going to the wedding. you're arranging the chair for the wedding, huh?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, they gotta sit down. Oh, oh, she's tumbling down. Look at the bride. Oh, how cute they are. They're all ready. All ready now. Oh, look at the beautiful girls.
And this is someone who will dance for you.
Yeah,
Right.
a belly dancer. Just let her sit down. How cute they are.
They won't sit. They don't know how to
Yeah,
sit.
it's hot. It's hard on that, Sissy. Just in the carpet. She will fall. She don't wanna sit in there. You see, there's another big one. There's a bigger one up there.
Where?
See? Near the piano. The blue.
Someone's sitting.
The blue one.
What blue one?
That one, see that? The
That's
blue
a
one.
chair. That's a table.
She can still sit there. Oh my goodness, they're all ready. Wow. Hi guys. What's up? What you doing? You're here for the wedding of Barbie.
Here they come.
Here they come. Ding ding da ding. Ding ding da ding. Ding ding da ding ding da ding ding da ding.
Wait. Has to be someone like it.
Oh, she's gonna be the pastor.
No, the one who tells what them to say.
Okay. You talk.
No. Just pretend they're talking.
What a haircut.
And now they may kiss.
Okay, let me kiss the bride. Let me kiss the bride. Yay! They're now husband and wife.
Now they're going to live in here.
Yeah, they're gonna live in there. They will be happy together.
going to go
We're
home.
gonna go home.
Can we have our seats like that?
Yeah.
Let's go. Our chairs like that.
They're eating again.
And we're back sleeping.
Okay, they're back in the house. Okay, they're gonna sleep now.
Now it's time to go to dinner.
Okay, it's dinner time.
Will they eat?
They're gonna eat some food.
Now they're going to eat some Shopkin.
A Shopkin. Look at the newlywed. Oh, the babies are sleeping. They're sleeping.
It's really hot.
Hmm?
And the kids can have cake.
Okay. They're having a cake. May I see the cake? Oh, wow. Eating time.
They're all done eating their cake.
Okay, they're done eating their cake.
Now go back to bed.
Okay, it's sleeping time.
supposed to get in a bed.
Okay.
There's not enough beds.
They can sleep in the floor. Yeah. You can sleep in the floor.